আজকের কর্মশালার শুভ সূচনার মুহূর্ত যে এসেছে, সমবেত প্রদীপ প্রজ্বলনের মধ্য দিয়ে এই কর্মশালার শুভ সূচনা হচ্ছে।
এবার এই ধরনের এই যে সংখ্যাগুলো পাল্টাচ্ছে এবং সঞ্জয় খুব সুন্দর করে বলেছেন যে এই আইনগুলো জনমুখী হচ্ছে কিনা, এবং বিশেষ করে সাক্ষ্য এবং এই ধরনের ক্ষেত্রে যে ডিজিটাল এবং প্রযুক্তির প্রভাব আসছে সেগুলোকে এখন সার্ভিস হয় সব ইমেলে, এখন কোর্ট হয়ে গেছে ডিজিটাইজ, সমস্ত জায়গায় যে কেউ অনলাইনে শুনতে পারেন সবকিছু। এখন এগুলোর আইনানুগ মান্যতা দেওয়াটা খুব জরুরি এবং সেই সঙ্গে এই আইনগুলো কিভাবে পাল্টেছে এবং একটা তালিকা যদি থাকে যে যেটা এই আইনটা কি ছিল, এখন এই আইনটা কি হয়েছে। আমি সম্প্রতি একটা বই কিনেছি আমার ব্যক্তিগত, তো এই আগের গুলো যেমন লাগবে নতুন গুলো লাগবে, এবং নতুন গুলোর বিশেষত্বটা কি, দেখুন যুগ এগিয়ে চলে, তার জন্য আস্তে আস্তে আইনের সংশোধন প্রয়োজন।
Already conducted, this mini Vartalap across the country in all the state capitals, and the last one will be held tomorrow in Andaman Nicobar Samud in Port Blair. So Kolkata is happening just before that, and 2 days from now, I think these enactments, the 3 new criminal laws, which has been, enacted in December last year, will come into force from 1st of July. And we have launched a very vigorous, social media campaign through the Ministry of Home Affairs. I was working in the Ministry of Home Affairs as ADG, Media and Communication Officer during the COVID period. So for 2 years I was there. And as was mentioned by Snehasisda, that the old CRPC, IPC numbers, how it has been changed. That time, the brainstorming session was going on in the Ministry of Home Affairs, that why 302, the murder, which is a heinous crime, will come 302. So this was the British intent. Their laws, their enactments were done to protect the British crown interest. It was not for the, welfare, whether what Sanjay said, people-centric. So these 3 criminal laws will be there are several, important features of the criminal laws, like timely delivery of the justice and special care for the crimes against women and the children, intensive use of technology, and we have heard in several Bollywood films that tarikh pe tarikh. So now provision has been made that since filing of the FIR, and FIR filing should be done within 3 days. And till the delivery of the justice, every process will be through online. So massive use of
offense like mischief was as low as 100 rupees. Now they have increased the amount. So mainly what they have done, they have enhanced the punishment, and in 1 or 2 places they have not reduced completely, they have wiped out. Why they have wiped out? Because the offense is gone. For example, 377 is gone. So wherever there was punishment leading to 377, those sections have been removed. By and large, when you think of punishment, it is all enhancement of the punishment and community service, so that I'll take later on. So we'll go with offense-wise. So I'll touch upon mainly about the new additions they have made, and towards the end, the deletion from the offense and what is the impact of all this deletion, that I'll cover. So these are the 2 main areas which I'm going to cover about. So please come to the first slide.